5 technology you cannot live without it. Imagine a day without your smartphone. Daunting, isn't it? This device is one of 5 technologies we now can't live without. Next, we have the internet, a vast digital universe, connecting us to the world. Imagine life without Google or social media. Third is GPS, our personal guide, ensuring we never lose our way. Then comes online banking, simplifying financial transactions, making life hassle-free. Lastly, e-commerce, bringing global markets to our doorstep. Undeniably, these 5 technologies have become indispensable, shaping our modern lives.